As Director General of ACI Asia-Pacific and Middle East, I would like to welcome industry leaders to the most important global gathering of airports, ACI Asia-Pacific and Middle East, ACI Board Annual General Assembly Conference and Exhibition, also known as the �WAGA 2024. This global event will be hosted by our member, Riyadh Airport Company, in the fast-changing city of Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, from 21st-23rd May 2024. Under the overarching theme, The Global Race, How to Stand Out in a Competitive Airport Ecosystem, we will learn how our airports are enhancing competitiveness through new initiatives on environmental sustainability, connectivity, market liberalization and customer centricity. We are lining up influential speakers and diverse array of exhibitors who will showcase cutting-edge products and services to elevate your conference experience. The Kingdom's Vision 2030 positions Riyadh to become one of the key economic and social junctures in the world, and I'm confident that it will be a fitting backdrop for this important gathering. So mark your calendar for 21st-23rd May 2024. See you in Riyadh.